Hello friends, my name is Abhishek Nandakumar Chavan. I am from Nashik. I completed my BCS graduation from KTHM College Nashik. Let's come back to our point, that is arrays in Java. I am going to tell you about its advantages, disadvantages, types, and some short explanation about array. So let's start with the definition. Java array is an object which contains elements of a similar data type. Additionally, the elements of an array are stored in a contiguous memory location. It is data structure where we store similar elements. We can store only a fixed set of elements in a Java array. Arrays are used to store multiple values in a single variable. Means a single variable can store multiple values in this concept. Uh, Instead of declaring separate variables for each value. Next, to determine an array, define a variable type with square brackets. The syntax of arrays are variable and then square brackets, and then we have to load variables in that square brackets for execution of array. Next, you access an array element by referring to the index number. Uh, Next, advantages of arrays. Arrays are a very popular concept in nowadays. Uh, we have to we have to seen we have seen already seen the about arrays. Advantages of arrays: code optimization. It optimizes code by making the code optimize. We can we can retrieve or sort the data efficiency. Next is random access. Random access is one of the main advantages of arrays. We can get any data located at an index position. Next, disadvantages of arrays. The only one disadvantage is there, that is size limit. We can store only the fixed size of elements in the array. It doesn't grow its size at runtime. Means once we declare array, we not able to increase its size or decrease its size. To solve the problem, collection framework is used in Java, which grows automatically. Which grows automatically. There are two types of arrays. There are main three types of arrays: single arrays, the single dimensional arrays means one dimensional arrays, two dimensional arrays, and multi-dimensional arrays. A single dimensional array is the simplest form of array in which the element is stored linearly and can be accessed individually by specifying the index value of each element stored in the array. Means only one single element can accessed in this method. uh, Similar to that, next type is two-dimensional array. The difference between single and two-dimensional arrays is there is one variable, and in two-dimensional arrays there are two variables interact with each other. uh, in two-dimensional arrays, a two-dimensional array is the simplest form of array in which two elements are stored linearly and can be accessed accessed individually by specifying the index of that two value of each element stored in the two arrays. Next is multi-dimensional array. Multi-dimensional array can be defined as simple words as array of arrays. Means array, one array, and array of that array is called as multi-dimensional arrays. data in multi-dimensional arrays are stored in tabular form. So this is all about arrays in Java. Thank you.